Hi, my name is Webster, and I'm a patient in the Amgen Lp(a) trial. I have a high level of lipoprotein A, and this study is trying to reduce that. My little brother died about a year and a half ago. My dad had died also of heart issues, and I have a friend who's a cardiothoracic surgeon, and he had been telling me that I really need to get that checked out. So I went through a process. Ultimately, they found that I had issues with my arteries, and I needed to have open heart surgery. And during that, they also tested my Lp(a). My cardiologist did, and my number came out to be about 5 times higher than what it's supposed to be. You have no way of knowing. The only way you really know is just family history. It makes no difference what you eat, how often you exercise. If you have this, you have it. And so, it's important that you get checked. It's important that you look at your family history. I mean, if I didn't have the family history, I wouldn't be here. I mean, I never would have. It never would have got me kind of moving in the right direction to get checked. And, this whole process for me has been one in which I feel like, maybe it's a way for me to help other people, realize that this kind of condition does exist. I represented a company once that had a drug for people that had really bad gout. And I went to the advisory panel meeting with the FDA up in Washington, D.C. And I saw the patients come in and talk. And just listening to them talk about how this particular drug had changed their lives, it kind of was in the back of my head, that I could be like them. You're doing something good. It's really not going to take a whole lot of your time. You ought to do it. I mean, it'll make you feel better. You're just doing something to help other people. I mean, that's the way I look at it, is I'm doing something that'll help young people, the next generation. Just kind of, we advance, society advances, and this is part of how you have to do it. So yeah. Just everyone here is great, very friendly, and very helpful in terms of my time. They go out of their way to help me, in terms of my appointments, whatever time works for me, they make that work for them. Lori is who I've worked with most, and she's just been fantastic. This has been a great experience, and I would recommend it to anyone.